Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the file behave. Interpret footage to the correct color profile and choose 16 or 32 bits per channel so you don't clip highlights. Next, linearize footage if it's LOG or RAW so adjustments are proportional. Apply a single color correction effect, lumetri or color finesse, and create a locked reference still on a separate layer to compare. Once that's ready, pull basic exposure and contrast to a neutral midtone. This establishes the baseline for every further correction. You now balance via scopes. Match waveform levels for proper luminance, use vector scope to nail skin tones, and watch histogram for clipped blacks or whites. First set white and black points, then adjust temperature and tint to remove color casts. Once overall balance is good, refine with midtone contrast and lift/gamma/gain controls. Use shape layers or track mattes for local fixes. Mask a face or sky and soften feathering, so adjustments affect only the intended areas without breaking global balance. You finish by applying any creative LUTs or film looks at the end and dial their intensity with opacity or a blend mode. This preserves your technical correction underneath. Apply subtle sharpening and denoise as needed, then export with the project's working color profile and correct render settings. If colors shift on export or in another app, check color management settings, confirm linearization, and inspect blending modes or pre-comp color space. Fixing one of those almost always resolves unexpected shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.